So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to make the juiciest, most succulent, tender lamb fillets you have ever tried. And best of all, you will have it ready to serve in 25 minutes. It is that simple. Now, no matter how good of quality meat you've purchased, the biggest tip I give you is to make sure you clean your fillets properly. So that's removing all the silver skin, which is like that white ligament you can sort of see attached. Take a bit of time to clean this up. I can get this entire batch done within about 5 minutes, not even, because once you've got a really sharp knife, you'll get the hang of it super quick, and removing that will ensure you're not going to have any stringy bits of meat. Now step 2, which is also the final step, this is what I mean by how easy this recipe is simply putting all your marinade ingredients together into the one bowl and giving it a really good mix. And that is it, you are ready to go. Now you can go ahead and cook this immediately if you like, however I choose to just cover it, leave it aside, and that is at room temperature on the bench while I quickly make up a batch of rice. Now with my turmeric rice recipe, I recommend doing it in a rice cooker just because you don't have to mix it, you don't have to do a single thing. Once you put all the ingredients inside and you've popped that lid on, you can just leave it aside, let it cook, and start cooking your lamb in the meantime, so they'll both be ready and done at the same time. Now for the lamb cooking process, I recommend a little bit of olive oil on your skillet and cooking that on a very high heat. So my top heat is 9 and I will be cooking it throughout the whole time on that number 9. So all you need to do is make sure that you're searing each of the sides. Do not turn them until you've got a beautiful golden cooked side. Then you're going to continuously turn until all sides are cooked, popping them on a plate and covering it with foil as the pieces are evenly cooked. Don't worry about the interior, because when you're leaving them aside on the plate, the inside will still continue to cook slightly, so you will get a fully cooked lamb fillet. And there it is, super simple and easy, but best of all, extra delicious with a side of turmeric rice. Hope you enjoy!